everybody, Tonjia here, and I have an Ipsy unboxing for you for July of 2019. Right now I am wearing the Tetris Top Out eyeshadow that I got in my last Ipsy bag, and I haven't opened this yet. Ooh, oh, this is pretty. I love this. I love these kind of tropical leaves. They kind of remind me of like 50s Hawaii kind of style. But anyway, I like the colors of this bag and I like the design. I think it's super cute. Let's see what's inside. So, I always have one of these to tell you what's in there. And I'm not going to look because I don't want to know. I want to be surprised just like you. Okay, so the first thing in here is MURAD Essential C Cleanser. So that looks really gentle. It's clear. It's got little bubbles of something in it. Anyway, I will definitely be trying that. It looks like it's a pretty good size too. Let's see, the next thing. Ooh, CIATÉ Glow 2 Highlighter. I just bought on sale the CIATÉ, the Glitter Flip lipsticks. Oh my gosh, they're so amazing. So anyway, actually, you know what? I think with the Glitter Flip lipstick, I got a free one of these. But I will use this one as well. I'll hang on to that one. And what else is in here? Okay. Oh, MELLOW. I had a couple other lipsticks and I really like them, but I don't have any. This is a precision pen eyeliner. I don't know if you can read that. I don't have any of these. I've never tried these from them, but their lipsticks are very good. So I'm excited to try that. The next thing in here is, oh, hair treatment. I did put down that I like to receive hair treatments. My hair, as you can see, is very curly, very long. It helps me to hydrate it and do treatments to keep it from getting frizzy. My hair just gets frizzy pretty easily. But anyway, so I do like getting these. You can see that. 12 benefits. So I will definitely be trying that. Well, I'll definitely be trying all these. I always say that, but I will always be trying all of these. I don't think there's anything that I would not like. I like all these things. So here is SMASHBOX Lip Gloss Babe Alert. That looks like it's a pretty sort of nudish color. It's kind of a darker nude, but that works for my skin tone. So I really like that. And this is a smaller size than full size, but it's pretty good. I would say it's maybe 3/4 size. So I like that. These are all samples, but I like how, you know, this is full size. They're all supposed to be samples. The highlighter is also full size. This is like a travel size, but definitely several uses out of this. And like I said, this is not full size, but it's definitely multiple uses. So I think that's great. Ipsy's $10 a month, and you get 5 things in every bag and the bag, and I think it's well worth it. So if you're interested in signing up, I'm going to put all the information below, and I'll link to my other Ipsy unboxings as well. And thank you for watching.